Hey, boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Good to see you. So what do we got going on today? Let's do a word problem. All right, let's have some fun. Let's get this party started. All right, let's check it out. So in your math packet, it'll say, shockingly, Tuesday, word problem, add or subtract. That's the question. Are we adding or subtracting? Are we putting things together? Are we taking away? Are we finding the difference? Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? So, I don't know. Let's find out. So, take it out. Okay, you're going to need, as always, your word problem. You're going to need a pen or a pencil. And, I'm fine with a pen, by the way. Some people say don't use a pen because then you can't erase. Well, that doesn't matter. Like, you can just cross it out. And in some ways, it's kind of good because then you can actually see the mistakes that you made and the ways in which you corrected them, which I think is fantastic. So pen, pencil, whatever you got is good with me. Okay? So, alrighty then. I'm going to read it to you. Okay? If you don't have it out yet, get your word problem, a pen or a pencil, get your math materials, and come back when you have that. So stop the video, get your materials, come back, and hit the play button. I'll see you in a second. All right, it's been a second, or however long it took you, okay? So I'm going to read it to you. It says, Francesca made 12 snowballs to throw at her brother. This reminds me of yesterday's word problem, right? When we had Peter and Enzo and they threw 6 at each other and it was a total of 12. So she made 12 snowballs to throw at her brother. That's a brilliant idea, is to make a bunch of them to get ready like an arsenal of snowballs. I love this. But 6 of them melted. It must be like a warm day, like after the snowstorm, right? Or later that day, the sun's out, and 6 of them melted. Poor Francesca. She worked hard to make those snowballs. Okay, sorry. How many does she have left? How many what? Oh, snowballs, I guess, right? How many snowballs does she have left? All right, so again, there's 1,000 ways we could solve this problem, right? I mean, even just from yesterday, like on your double 10 frame, right? You could draw, you could put it in a dry erase sleeve, of course. You could draw 12 snowballs and then cross off 6 of them, right? In fact, there's 6 right there. Just cross off, boom, 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 and you've got 6 left. So I want you to think about this in terms of doubles. If 6 and 6 makes 12, if you have 12 and take away 6, you should have 6 left. Okay, that just kind of makes sense, right? Sorry, my stuff is all over the place. So you could have also drawn it like this. So, okay, I've got 12 snowballs. If I erase 6, you could actually erase them or just cross them off, right? And you'll see that you are left with, if you cross off 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you've got 6 left. It's like we're going in reverse from yesterday, right? If you're using your Reckon Rec, okay? Here, sorry, let's get this out of the way. If you're using your Reckon Rec and you've got 12 snowballs and you take away 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you are left with 6. Yeah, no matter how you do it, okay? If you're using your cubes and you put down 12 snowballs, right? And you wouldn't even know that they're different, how many there are of each. But let's say you just put down 12, and then you take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? All right, so again, there's lots of ways to do this. You could draw it, right? You could say, like I did on the double 10 frame, you could say, okay, so there's 12 snowballs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to take out these 2. That's 1, 2. I need to erase 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. and I'm left with 6. And that could be what you write on your paper. And then you could write 12 minus 6 equals 6. We didn't do that yesterday, did we? Our equation. I'm sorry about that. So we would do 12 minus 6 equals 6. And yesterday it would have been 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay? So I want you to solve this again, at least one way. But if you can find 2 different ways to solve it, that would be fantastic. Okay? So do your word problem. And tomorrow, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to have you do it, and we'll see how you do. All right? Because you need to learn how to do it on your own. Okay, boys and girls, I don't know why I'm doing this, but I am, because I'm like a karate guy or something. Karate math guy. Wouldn't that be awesome? That's a great idea, isn't it? We could be like a new TV show about karate math guy. That'd be cool, right? I like this idea. Okay. Boys and girls, chop chop, get to work. Watch your next video on doubles, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.